Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Flow. I'm Mark, and today I want to change your English life forever. You know what? I'm tired of seeing English learners waste years studying grammar books and still feeling scared to speak. Today, I'm going to show you something different, something that actually works. 15 minutes daily equals English fluency unlocked. That's not just a promise, that's a guarantee. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. With speaking practice that actually works. No boring textbook English, no complicated grammar rules, just real English for real life. Before we begin, let me tell you how this works. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. After I say each sentence, I will pause for a few seconds. This gives you time to repeat exactly what you heard. Use your voice. Speak out loud. This is the only way to build fluency. Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you had a real conversation in English? Not in your head, not reading silently, a real conversation with another person. If you're like most learners, it was probably a long time ago. And that's exactly the problem. You see, most people think fluency comes from studying more. But I'm here to tell you the truth. Fluency comes from using what you already know, confidently and naturally. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to practice the most powerful English sentences for daily life. Ready? But first, let me tell you why 15 minutes works like magic. Your brain learns languages through repetition and emotion. When you practice the same useful sentences every day with feeling and voice, something incredible happens. They become automatic. They become part of you. This is how I learned English. This is how every fluent speaker learned English. Not through grammar books, through daily practice. So here's what we're going to do. I will give you the exact sentences you need for different life situations. Work situations, social situations, daily situations. We will practice them together using shadowing technique. You listen to me, you repeat immediately, you make it natural. No thinking, no translating, just natural English flowing from your mouth. Let's begin with work English. Because, let's be honest, most of you need English for your career. These sentences will make you sound professional and confident at work. Sorry I'm late. Traffic was crazy. Let me get back to you on that. I'll handle it right away. Could we schedule a meeting? I'm working on it as we speak. Excellent! Can you hear how professional you sound already? This is the power of real English practice. Now, let's continue with more work situations. That makes perfect sense. I completely agree with you. Let me double check that. I'll send you the details. Thanks for bringing this up. Great. Now let's practice these professional sentences together. That makes perfect sense. I completely agree with you. Let me double check that. I'll send you the details. Thanks for bringing this up. Amazing. You're sounding more confident every minute. Now let's move to social English, because English is not just about work. It's about connecting with people, making friends, having fun. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What have you been up to? Not much, just staying busy. We should hang out sometime. Fantastic. You sound like a native speaker already. Now more social situations. That sounds like fun. I'm totally up for it. Let's keep in touch. It was so nice meeting you. See you again soon. Beautiful. Let's practice these friendship sentences. That sounds like fun. I'm totally up for it. Let's keep in touch. It was so nice meeting you. See you again soon. Outstanding. Now let's practice daily life English. The English you need for shopping, restaurants, travel, real life situations. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? I'd like to order the chicken. Could I get the check, please? Is this seat taken? Do you take credit cards? Excellent. Now let's use these daily sentences naturally. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? I'd like to order the chicken. Could I get the check, please? Is this seat taken? Do you take credit cards? Perfect. You're handling daily English like a pro. Now let's practice emergency English. The sentences you hope you never need, but should definitely know. I need help right now. Can you call the police? Where's the nearest hospital? I lost my wallet. My phone is not working. Good. Let's practice these emergency sentences clearly. I need help right now. Can you call the police? Where's the nearest hospital? I lost my wallet. My phone is not working. Excellent. Now, let's practice complaining and problem solving. Because, let's face it, sometimes things go wrong, and you need to speak up. This is not what I ordered. I'm not happy with this service. Can you fix this problem? I'd like to speak to the manager. This is completely unacceptable. Great! Let's practice standing up for yourself in English. This is not what I ordered. I'm not happy with this service. Can you fix this problem? I'd like to speak to the manager. This is completely unacceptable. Perfect. You sound confident and assertive. Now let's practice expressing opinions. In my opinion, that's not right. I think you're absolutely right. I'm not sure I agree with that. That's an interesting point. I've never thought about it that way. Outstanding. Now let's practice time and scheduling. Super practical for busy people. What time is convenient for you? I'm free next Tuesday. Let's reschedule for tomorrow. I'm running behind schedule. Can we make it 30 minutes later? Perfect. Let's handle scheduling like a pro. What time is convenient for you? I'm free next Tuesday. Let's reschedule for tomorrow. I'm running behind schedule. Can we make it 30 minutes later? Amazing. Finally. Let's practice technology English because we all live in a digital world. My internet is not working. Can you send me the link? I'll text you the address. Let me check my email quickly. The app keeps crashing. Great. Let's handle technology problems. My internet is not working. Can you send me the link? I'll text you the address. Let me check my email quickly. The app keeps crashing. Incredible work, my friends. In just 15 minutes, we practiced over 60 real-life English sentences. Sentences that cover work, social life, daily activities, emergencies, opinions, scheduling, and technology. These are not random sentences from a textbook. These are the exact sentences you need to live your life in English. But here's the secret that changes everything. What we just did is your daily practice. 15 minutes every single day. Not once a week, not when you feel like it. Every single day that you connected with today. The 20 sentences that match your life situation. Practice them tomorrow morning, shadow them out loud, use them in real conversations. Remember, fluency is about using what you know confidently and naturally. And now you have the tools. You have real sentences for real situations. You have the shadowing method. So here's my promise to you. If you practice these sentences for 30 days, 15 minutes every morning, you will speak English with more confidence than ever before. Your colleagues will notice, your friends will notice, you will notice. This is not just learning English. This is living English. Your English fluency is not years away. It's just 15 minutes away. Every single day. Starting tomorrow morning. You have the power. You have the sentences. Now make it happen. Thank you for practicing with me today. My friends, if this episode changed your perspective on English learning, please share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to English Flow for daily English practice that actually works. And remember, don't study English, live English. I'm Mark, and this is English Flow. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep flowing. Your fluent English life starts tomorrow, 15 minutes at a time. See you next time, my friends. Until then, keep flowing.